Okay, so let's get real about GCSE Geography Paper 3. You know how the exam board gives you all the materials like a full 12 weeks early? Sounds incredible, right? Like they're just handing you the answers. Well, there's a catch.
And I'm not talking about a small catch. I mean, this is a massive one. It's the one thing that trips up thousands and thousands of students every single year. It's almost like it's designed to take this amazing gift and turn it into your worst nightmare. Because think about it, what happens? You spend weeks, right? You're highlighting, you're making all these beautiful color-coded notes, and then you walk into that exam hall and bam, they take it all away. They hand you a brand new, totally clean copy of the booklet, and you're just left there thinking, what was the point of all that?
Okay, but that's exactly where this game plan comes in. I'm about to show you the step-by-step formula, the cheat code really, to take that clean booklet and turn it into a grade 8 or 9. We are going to break down the ultimate strategy to absolutely dominate this paper.
All right, phase 1. It all starts with the 12-week blueprint. So your school gets this booklet around March for the June exams, right? The key thing to remember is this. Since you can't take your notes in, your goal isn't memorization. Nope. The goal is to train your brain to know that booklet so well, it's like an extension of your own memory.
So how do we do that? We break it down into 3 simple phases. First up, weeks 1 to 4. That's all about analysis. I mean, you're reading it cover to cover. You're picking apart every map, every graph, every stakeholder opinion. Then we move into weeks 5 to 8, synthesis. This is where you start making connections, drawing lines between different pages, and writing a super quick, 1-sentence summary for every single page. And finally, the last 4 weeks, pure hardcore practice. We're talking 9-mark questions over and over under a strict 20-minute timer.
Okay, fast forward, it's exam day. You've got that fresh, clean booklet in front of you. This is phase 2, decoding the questions. Section A isn't just a memory test. It's designed to see how good your skills are, how you make decisions, and, this is crucial, how fast you can pull info from different pages all at once. It's all about speed and application.
So, first up, you're going to hit these little 2 or 3 mark questions. Your strategy here is simple. Get in, get out, fast. We're talking 2 to 3 minutes, absolute max. Don't waste time overthinking. Find the data, write the answer, move on. These are your quick wins.
Next, you've got your medium-sized questions, the 4 to 6 markers. You can spend a little more time here, maybe 5 to 7 minutes. The examiner here wants more than just data. They want to see that you understand the why. So, the magic words are connectives like because, this leads to, or as a result. You're showing them you get the story behind the numbers. And that brings us to the big one. This is it, conquering the 9 marker. This is what the whole paper builds up to.
I'm not kidding when I call this the final boss. This is the 20-minute, 9-mark monster question that literally separates the good grades from the great ones. But here's the good news. There's a perfect formula to beat it. Let's build this grade 9 answer together, right now. It's a 4-step process. Step 1, state your decision. The very first sentence. Pick a side. No ifs, no buts. Step 2, give 2 advantages. Back up your choice with 2 solid reasons, and you have to use specific data and tell them which figure it's from. The best answers pull evidence from at least 4 different places in the booklet. Step 3, add a counter-argument. This is where you show you're a top-level thinker. And finally, step 4, conclude. Just a quick sentence to wrap it all up and state your decision one last time. Simple.
Okay, lean in because this is the ultimate grade 9 secret. It's one simple phrase. Some might argue. That's it. That's the magic key. You use this to bring in the other side of the argument, you back it up with a piece of evidence, and then, and this is the most important part, you explain why your original decision is still better. This one little trick proves to the examiner that you've thought about the whole picture.
All right, we're almost there. But before we finish, we need to talk about the final traps and tools. Seriously, knowing what not to do is half the battle on this paper. So listen up. Please avoid these mistakes at all costs. First, don't just copy big chunks of text from the booklet. Anyone can do that. You get marks for explaining why it matters. Second, don't be vague. Saying something like a big increase is a grade killer. You need to say a 63% increase. That precision is what gets you the top marks. And please, do not forget this. There are 3 marks just for SPaG. That's spelling, punctuation, and grammar. These are literally the easiest 3 marks you will get in the entire exam. You have to leave yourself 2 minutes at the end just to read over your 9 marker. Don't throw away free marks. So, you've got the strategy, you know the traps. Now you just need the tools to put it all into practice. And don't worry, I've got you covered. We've built your ultimate toolkit for this paper.
Inside this free downloadable toolkit, you're going to find everything we've covered. You get the 12-week timeline, you get a template for building that perfect 9-mark answer, and my favorite part, we've included real examples of weak versus strong answers, so you can see exactly what a grade 9 looks like compared to a grade 5. It's the whole shebang.
So are you ready to dominate paper 3? Look, this paper is tough. It's designed to be a challenge, but it is 100% beatable if you have the right game plan. And now you do. The only question left is, are you ready to go get that top grade? Grab the toolkit, follow the steps, and walk into that exam with total confidence. You've got this.